welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm actually in LA and I'm in my brother's apartment. I'm going to be showing you around his apartment, but for today I'm going to be showing you my present from my sweet brother. So the first present I got is this perfume from Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly. It's YSL. I think the Y is obviously silent. No, the V is silent. So it's Yves Saint Laurent. Maybe. Whatever. It is YSL. But I love it. I don't know if I should open it yet. I'm just not ready to launch it. So that's the first gift I got from my brother. Actually, this one was actually a gift from my same brother. He gave me for my birthday last year. So I still have it. Ouch. What I just do is I just change the wrist. I have different colors of this band from time to time. So, and then the second gift I got is this shoes by Nike. I think I told you guys that I'm a size 7. I'm going to be wearing this, guys. This is a US 7. I'm going to be wearing this for you guys. So nice. This is really pretty. I like the color. It's orange. Really nice. So that's the second gift I got from my brother. And this one is customized. That's why it has Nike by You. And right here you can see. Ouch, you can see. Ignore my mom. My mom is right on my bed. Just on my brother's bed. Just ignore her. Ignore how. Don't even bother looking at her. So this is you can tell that because he's the one that customized it. That's why you have his name, Bayomi. That's my brother. That's my older brother. Anyway, so let me show you guys. Oh yeah, I think this is how you open it. This is the shoes. So it has my name. Let me come close so I can show you. See, it has my name customized. I'm going to try to do this for one of my friends that I love so much in Lagos when I have money. I think it's really, really pretty. I love it. I'm going to be wearing this tomorrow. I'm likely going to visit the Hollywood Walk of Fame, so I'm probably going to wear this. So you guys are going to be watching out for my outfit for tomorrow. So yeah, this is my favorite. I like it. Maybe because it has my name, but I really do like it. And then the fourth one is this slippers from DKNY, of course. I think this is really, really cute. I think this is really, really cute. I don't know if you guys like it, but I think this is so dope. I love it. I really do. It's nice. Really, really nice. Left. See how it is on my feet? It's super cute. I love it. So guys, that's what I just wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you my presents. This perfume is obviously the winner of all my presents. Did he give me anything else? That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. My mom's presents are so many. I'll show you guys, but she's not ready to even participate in this video with me today. She's tired from pressing her phone. So guys, that's it. I'm enjoying LA. I'm just chilling in my brother's apartment, and from tomorrow we're going to be going out, so watch out. I'm really tired, guys, and I'll see you. So just stay tuned while I show you some other things that happens on this trip. So this is the console area where it has very nice decor, you see? And then this is a picture of, it's not very clear, but it is very beautiful. I love this. Where I have my mom, my dad, and my siblings. That's the console mirror. This is a nice portrait, one of my favorite. I love it. That's Fela's portrait. I don't know if you're a fan of Fela, but this is absolutely beautiful. Now this is a living room where you have, I love this furniture. This furniture is everything. Wow. You know, the fabric. Look at this portrait, guys. This one says kindness matters. Of course it does. Grace upon grace. And this is a trumpet. My brother is very musical, so that's why he has, you see a lot of musical instruments. Look, he has a guitar, and that's beautiful. Now look at the curtains. The curtain is red, or is this wine? Beautiful. Of course, I'm a plant person. We are plant people. Look at the clock. The TV is Now guys, I'm going to show you the details on the table. So this is a trumpet. That's the telephone antique. That's a bicycle. You just have diffusers. You have organ. You have the speaker. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. I love it. It's a bicycle. And phone. This is trumpet. Very nice. One of my favorite. So that's my brother right there. Yummy. Hey bro. He's busy, so let's not disturb him. That's the printer. This is like a waiting area where you can sit down, you know. And you can also watch the TV from here. And then that's the dining table. The rug is very rich, as you can see. Beautiful. And of course, this is where the wines are. So that's why you have this wine. The fruit frame is beautiful. And then let me show you what this frame says. It says, easily something, I don't know, by music and wine, but it's very pretty. And he has a plant right here at this corner to give him some very nice touch. You know, yeah, this frame says, today is a brand new day. Aspire for more. Take chances. Be amazing. Pursue your passion. Believe. Have fun. Be brave. Never give up. Make a difference. Work hard. Embrace kindness. Live your dream. Love well and stay strong. Beautiful. And this is the kitchen. This kitchen is absolutely beautiful. I like the white cupboard. I like this frame. I like what this frame says. Kitchen rules. Be thankful for every meal. Wash your hands. Be polite. Stay safe. Thank you. You know, this is really cool. My brother is extremely very neat. It's like a neat freak. Look at these frames. These frames are beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. These kitchen frames are everything. Nice. Aha. This is super beautiful. So guys, yeah, that's the wine stand. You have the champagne glasses, the wine, you know. He's really busy. That's why he's concentrating so much. So guys, I think this is very beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching my brother's house tour. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you. Make sure you stay safe. Bye guys.